Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making bechamel. The ingredients will be listed down below. Let's start cooking. First we're going to saute the onions for about 2 minutes until they are translucent. Then we're going to add the minced garlic and mix in for a little bit until they become aromatic. Now is a good idea to cook your pasta per instructions on the box. Keep it on medium-high heat and then add the beef and then a dash of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt. We're just going to mix the meat and break it apart bit by bit until it's all browned. After browning the meat, we're going to go ahead and drain all the juice that is still there. After draining the juices, we're going to go ahead and add the parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and the cinnamon. I like to go ahead and give it a little mix here before I add the tomato sauce. We're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes, mixing occasionally. Then set it aside and let it cool off before we add the 1 beaten egg. Now for the bechamel sauce, we're going to go ahead and melt 1 stick of butter, then whisk in 8 tablespoons of flour, mixing continuously for 2 minutes. Continue whisking and slowly add the milk. You're going to want to add a little bit at a time every time it gets thicker. Once I reach the desired consistency, I go ahead and add a dash of black pepper and salt to taste. Then mix in about 3/4 teaspoon of dry thyme. Quickly add the 2 beaten eggs and turn off the heat. Now pour half of the bechamel mixture into the strained pasta and mix. Don't forget to add the 1 beaten egg to the cooled down meat if you haven't done so already. Now place half of the pasta in a 13x9 oven-proof pan. Then add the meat mixture on top. Then sprinkle some cheese on top. I like to use Queso blanco cheese. Add the other half of the pasta on top of all of this and spread evenly. Then pour the other half of the bechamel sauce and spread evenly. Cover with aluminum foil and put it in the oven on 400 degrees for 50 minutes. Then remove the cover and broil it for about a few minutes just so it can get a little touch of brown. Just make sure you don't burn it. It's time to eat. I hope you enjoy. Sakhaw hana! Please share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.